I don't know what he wants in a relationship. What should I do? Hello, ladies, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex Camont, and I'm your French relationship expert. I'm also the author of the bestseller, The Truth About Love. And you know what? You can download this bestseller for free in the description box right below. Today's video is very important. You are dating this guy, but you don't know exactly what he wants. And you're asking yourself, what should I do? I can tell you, you will do a mistake by thinking like this. Why? Because you will give him all the power. And when you ask a man, what does he wants always the coke, the french fries, the money. He wants everything without the commitment. So he will try to make sure that you fall in love and you will become sex friend and casual dating and all of these things that we don't want. So ladies, if I have learned something since 2007 being a relationship expert, you have to focus on what you want, not what he wants, okay? Because then you will lose yourself, you will lose your self-confidence, you will be needy, and you will not understand why he's not more committed to the relationship. The reason why will be because you give him the solution, the power. It's just his decision. No, not with me as your relationship expert. I have some tools and tips to give you. Tips number one. It's very important for you to understand that men could be like kids. If you tell them, okay, do whatever you want, they will do mistakes. What happens if you tell a kid, okay, do whatever you want? They will always do mistakes. They will burn the house, basically. It's the same with a man. You have to ask yourself, what am I waiting from him? What do I want from him in a relationship? Because at this moment, you will be able to empower yourself and make sure that you receive what you want and not what he wants to give you. So, tip number one, men are like kids. We need to set some boundaries and we need to wait for something specific that you want, that you deserve, that you're looking for. So, tips number one, you have the power. You should make the decision. It's not, what is he waiting for me? We don't care what is waiting from you. We want you to get the power. Tips number two, very important tips. If you always wonder what he wants, you will chase him. Nope. I want him to do the first step. He needs to text you, call you, ask you to go out. He needs to be involved. Because when he's involved at this moment, I can guarantee you we can have results. This guy will give you what you want. He will be asking himself, what should I do for her? And not, oh, I want her to come to me because I can take her for granted. This is exactly what we want to change. Tip number three, when you ask yourself, what is he waiting from this relationship? Make sure you will create some memories. Because every man, we are always looking for something to feel. Most of the women, they will give a man what he wants. And this is too easy. For example, I can tell you what I want. You will do it. Everyone can do it. But I will fall in love with a woman that will just make me feel new emotions. And this is what every man wants. It's the same for you. If I give you what you want, yeah, it's good. But if I can just make you feel something special that you have never experienced in the past, you will fall in love. This is exactly why we want to create some memories. This is why you need to take your personality and show him who you are, what you deserve. Ladies, these tips are very important in your specific case because to be honest with you, I'm coaching women from all over the world every day. And every day I'm seeing you suffering from this situation. We can change it together. We can reverse the situation and stop wondering, what does he want? What can I do for him? And start receiving by creating memories. This is the best way to be happy in love. I really would like to help you, and this is why I want you to click in the description box below because you have some free gifts and a long video. It's a long private video. This video is not on my website, not on YouTube. Very private video where I explain to you how to find, attract, and keep the man of your life. It's easy, you can do it. It's easy, you can think about yourself first, what you want. Now, before to leave, I want you to smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm so happy to see this community growing. I'm so happy that you can understand my French accent because basically these tips have changed women's life and I want to help you. I want to change your life, okay? For the better, of course. You can come on my website, French Relationship Expert. You have tons of articles. You can book a private coaching session with me or my team. And from there, we will be able to work together and to help you reach your happiness in love. I will see you soon, ladies, for a new video. Bye-bye.